If you're looking for a gorgeous home on a private wooded lot, I've got you. I'm Kay Thompson with Team Armand at EXP Realty, and our team is showcasing this extremely well-maintained home at 197 Kingsview Lane in Chapel Hill. This home is over 3,300 square feet of living space with an open floor plan and is in close proximity to Northeast District Park, Farrington Point Boat Ramp, which is on Jordan Lake, and is really only about a 15-minute drive to downtown Chapel Hill. I've got a lot to show you. Let's go inside. This gorgeous home interior features a chef's kitchen with a commercial grade stove. The house has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms with the primary suite downstairs, and it also has the secondary suite upstairs along with a bonus room and a loft. This lot is a dream. You have a chicken coop, a tree house, and it's over 2 acres of calm serenity. If you'd like to see this home in real time, reach out to us here at Team Armand. I'm Kay Thompson, and all you've got to do is pick up that phone and let's talk.